The Bismetrica calculator allows you to calculate profitability on any listing in a few seconds. Within the field of view, you can see estimated sales. How many sellers are on the listing? The item ID and UPC of the product. We can change the price and notice how it impacts other fields, such as the maximum cost we need to procure this product at. If we want to achieve a 30% ROI at a price of $10, notice the information icon next to the ROI and max cost per unit. This indicates if you hover it, you will get a detailed explanation as to what it means. For example, if you hover over max cost, you can see the definition appear while hovering, and the definition disappears when you are no longer hovering the icon. If we toggle on the cost breakdown, we can dive deeper into all the costs of selling on Walmart. To start, we have the dimensions and weight, which determine the Walmart Fulfillment Services fee, also known as WFS, which is the fee that Walmart charges to pick, pack, and ship your items from their warehouse to their customers. The dimensions and weight are automatically gathered for you, so you don't have to worry about it. If it's empty, it's because Walmart does not know the dimensions or weight of this product. If you don't want to use Walmart Fulfillment Services, you can ship the products to customers yourself or use another third-party shipping company. In that case, you can toggle the fulfillment type toggle and input the cost to ship every unit. If we scroll down, we have more options to play around with, such as how much time the product is expected to be in Walmart's warehouses. The longer it's in their warehouse, the bigger the storage free. For example, it costs you more to store a product for 6 months than it is to store it for 3 months. After 12 months, Walmart charges you more money for storing that same product since they want to sell through products quickly in their warehouses. Next, we see product category, which you can select depending on what category that product is likely to belong to. Different categories have different referral fees, which is the fee per unit sold through Walmart.com, regardless if you use their fulfillment services or not. This is their commission for each sale. Over time, you can create cases through your Walmart account and change categories to lower your fees. Further down, you can input your duties and tariffs fees. If importing your products in bulk from overseas, you can also input other costs specific to your unique business. Further down, we see 3 toggles, which are additional charges. If you want to use those services only while storing and shipping your products to customers using Walmart Fulfillment Services. WFS item, label prep, indicates a fee for placing a UPC on every product. This is, if you send products without a UPC into Walmart warehouses, they can add it for you. Most supplier or distributors place the UPC on the product, but in case they don't and you don't have time to do it yourself, then Walmart provides that service at a cost of 45 cents at the time of this recording. The next WFS hazardous fee is a fee if your product contains chemicals containing chemical, aerosol, pesticide, or battery, since they require special handling inside of their warehouses. The WFS Polybag Prep is a service where Walmart will package each saleable unit in a loose, clear bag to protect it during storage and fulfillment. Some examples where this is sued is to protect apparel and fabrics from dust and damage, or for toys to protect small parts from getting separated. Below, you can see the net profit, the profit margin, and ROI, taking into account the price and all the costs of the product. Worth pointing, this is per unit sold. In this section, we can see how much money we are projected to make if we sell X quantity. For example, we can make this much money if we sell 100 units. We can even see the break-even point. If we toggle all sellers in inventory, we can see all the people who are selling on this listing, their fulfillment method, their price, and how much quantity they have ready to sell. The last section is the feedback section. We take feedback very seriously, so please let us know how we can improve. With that being said, you can see how customizable our calculator is. This is important to deeply understand your profitability.